भारत आज केवल एक सफल आईटी कहानी का केंद्र नहीं बल्कि दुनिया के नक्शे में उज्जवल भविष्य वाली आर्थिक शक्ति बनकर उभर रहा है। जाहिर है कि इस कारण भारत को बाकी क्षेत्रों में भी अपनी छवि को प्रगतिशील दर्पण में उतारने का जहां सुनहरा अवसर मिला है, वहीं इस अवसर में भारत को निवेश स्थान के बतौर अपनी कार्यसूची में प्राथमिकता देने वाले बहुत से देशों की गिनती की जा सकती है। लेकिन यह निवेश अवसर एवं भारत व्यवसाय के यातायात को दोनों तरफ प्रोत्साहन देता है। कनाडा को भारत के समक्ष एक उत्कर्षपूर्ण निवेश स्थान में यहाँ के इंडो कनेडियन युवक कैसे मदद कर सकते हैं, हमने भेंट की नो इंडिया प्रोग्राम 2006 के लिए चुने गए आशुतोष झा से।
I was born in Delhi, but I was partly raised in Bihar because my parents are from Bihar. But most of my initial education was in Delhi. In fact, there's a small town near Delhi called Noida, and that's where I'm from. I did computer science at University of Toronto. I was housed at Trinity College, and where after finishing my schooling, which is undergraduate, I went on to do a small business program by Rotman School of Management. It's a new program they've launched, a one-month business program. I had the privilege of serving as the head of college at Trinity, because Trinity has a very high student involvement in the college governance. So I did that for this past year before I graduated. But outside, I've been involved in many different organizations. So one of the big projects I work with my family foundation is working a project called Project Basic, and we work with Native youth from Northern Canada, and we promote entrepreneurship among them because we think that Canada has staged us for success. In my particular case, I'm not successful yet, but it has staged me for success, and I think it's time for me to give back to Canadians, and that's one way we're doing. Besides that, I'm also working on projects with UNICEF Canada with sick kids. And outside, I've also been involved with a few student organizations for refugee youth and a few other fun things.
अपने भविष्य की नींव रखते अहम सालों को एक नए देश में बिताने के पीछे कुछ नया करने का दृढ़ निश्चय जहां अक्सर नए प्रवासियों का सबसे बड़ा कारण होता है, वहीं कनाडा की और क्या बातें प्रमुख तौर पर सकारात्मक हैं।
कनाडा मेरे दो रीज़न थे। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल कनाडा के बारे में बहुत अच्छी चीज़ें सुनी थी हमेशा, एंड आई हैड सम वेरी क्लोज फैमिली इन कनाडा, and I heard very good things. I heard what a noble, what a civilized country it is. And although I had done really well in India at that point, I thought it's time to move on to the next level. What I love is how I feel very connected to Canada and people in Canada, and I don't feel like I'm an outsider. Although I am an outsider, I feel very welcomed. And the Canada has laid out the platform for me to succeed in Canada, and not only as Indian, but in the mainstream of Canada. And I've taken that opportunity to my advantage, and that is what I like. It's a very, very civilized country.
दिसंबर 19 से जनवरी 9 तक आयोजित किए जाने वाले छठे यूथ प्रोग्राम नो इंडिया प्रोग्राम को लेकर आशुतोष काफी उत्सुक हैं। दुनिया भर से 20 से 28 वर्ष के आयु वर्ग में से 30 विद्यार्थियों को भारत जाकर इसे करीब से जानने का अवसर दिया जाता है।
The program is called No India Program. It was formerly called the Internship for Diaspora Youth, and the program involves going to India for a month, and it's an orientation on culture, economy, media, industry. So an interaction with dignitaries such as the president himself, the prime minister. I get to travel all through India. I get to learn about India. The real India. It's almost like getting on top of CN Tower and having a big telescope and looking at all of India. The broad objective of the program is to connect the diaspora youth to India. But from my perspective, I think there's another bigger agenda that I'm working on. How do we protect interest of Indo-Canadians? How do we help Canada? So my objective for this program is to learn about India and see how it can be used to promote Canada, how it can be used to develop partnerships between India and Canada. So that is what I am aiming for.
कनाडा की छवि को दुनिया की आर्थिक शक्तियों के समक्ष एक सकारात्मक भविष्य का निर्माण करते युवा इंडो कनेडियन का संदेश जहां प्रेरणा का स्रोत हो सकता है, वहीं हमें इन पर गर्व भी है।
My message is actually not just for Indo-Canadians, it's for anybody who has hyphenated identity. We, as hyphenated Canadians, have to mainstream our thinking, we have to mainstream our efforts, and we have to put Canada on our priority list. I feel that most of hyphenated identities, including Indo-Canadians, don't have Canada on the priority list. I think we have to do that. Canada has welcomed us. Canada has staged us for success. Many of us have succeeded. Many of us have done really well. And I think it's time we give back to Canada, because we as people are resources that Canada has. And we are the ones who are responsible collectively for the success of Canada.